What's up, muscle car people? We're here at the shop by myself, coming at you vlog style. So, this is going to be, I guess, the first step of the SN95 project. We're going to do a little automotive archaeology. I already started earlier today. I'm going to show you what I pulled out of the trunk. So, in this car, we found subwoofers, headlights, which we didn't have, another set of taillights, some exhaust, a ton of softball equipment. There's a pair of cleats, oil, some baseballs. Here's the trunk carpet that I ripped out of the car. So, that being said, we're going to start tearing down the inside now. Alright guys, we're inside the car right now. Most of it's taken out, but if you have qualms about what we're going to do to this car in terms of ripping it apart and making it stupid, look at this seat. It's disgusting. Both the airbags have deployed. It smells terrible in here. It's not that nice of a car. I suppose the back seats are alright, but it's pretty inside. So, that being said, I don't feel too bad about absolutely ripping this car apart and doing all kinds of stupid things to it. We're still missing a fender. I know we got some crazy plans for the hood. If you have issues, just look at this hood. It's terrible. Who really cares if we cut up this hood? I think the plan is Quinn's going to put a Subaru WRX hood scoop there. Kenny's going to do a vent project here, whatever that is. I'm going to do a scoop up at the front and then put some hood gauges, kind of like how we have on the Subaru over there. But I don't think Matt's going to keep that gauge on the Subaru. I'm definitely going to keep mine. Alright guys, we're sitting in the Mustang here. I pulled most of the interior out, including the seat, radio, center console. It's quite disgusting in here. If you can tell, that's a rat's nest. Kenny's gonna come over and diagnose the situation. But
Full your fuzzy cheese, get some mushy peas, cause we're having chippy tea tonight.